Hi guys, welcome back to Renpet Bath Beauty's kitchen. I'm making my favorite fall soap today. We are making a soap inspired by the Michael Jackson hit Smooth Criminal. I know you guys watched me make this last year, but I have to make it again. So I thought I would make it for you because it's such an awesome soap. So let me get my yogurt and my heavy cream mixed in. I'm going to go ahead and get everything to emulsification. It's our Hotho recipe, so in my lye water is distilled water, sodium hydroxide, salt, and sugar. So I'll bring you back when we get all of that done. I know I keep saying this, but I really do love my new buckets. I do. Okay. Ooh. Clean Simon off here. Okay, now Smooth Criminal has not been emulsified enough. Okay, Smooth Criminal is one of my favorite Michael Jackson songs, and believe it or not, this fragrance fits the song perfectly. Shauna can tell you because she won a bar of this with our Fall Solstice giveaway last year. And let me get this batter down, and we will try not to spill this as we are pouring into our 4 colors. We are using gold, celestial blue, crimson, and orange. And then I'm going to use, usually I like for my, I like to have an even discoloration, and I make my batter brown when a soap is going to discolor. I'm going to get a little bit more blue because I need a little bit of an accent. But I don't do that with this soap because I like the color it turns in the natural batter. So I just do. I think it's a lovely shade. And then a little bit of orange. We don't need much orange. Okay. Alrighty then. Let me get this scraped down and get it out of my way so I can stir my colors in before I add my fragrance. Let's move this out of y'all's way without spilling my fragrance. That would be dandy. Making a mess again. So how's everybody been? Good, I hope. It's a little bit oranger than I had intended, but it's okay. I definitely wanted it to be a little bit more pigmented this year than I did last. Last year was beautiful. I loved it. Don't get me wrong. But I definitely wanted it a little bit more pigmented. So, alright. And our gold. Oh, perfect. This is the Super Sparkle Dark Gold Mica, not my Gold Coast Holiday. So it's a little bit of a difference, and I'm not sure I've ever used it on with you guys before. I don't know if I have. I know I've used the light gold because that's what I used with Heartbreaker. Okay, so I'm going to pour my fragrance in our batter here. Get rid of that and stir this fragrance in really, really good. So one thing that is kind of strange with these big buckets is, you know, I don't know, they're just really big. I'm still getting used to them. I'm sure eventually I'll be like, yeah, this is no problem. I have plenty of room in the world. All right, let me bring you guys in a little bit closer. I'm going to have to figure this out here. Okay, so let me take my spatula out of there. Okay, and we're going to pour in this one first, and then in this one. Okay. And then we're going to go through our colors. We're going to go gold, gold, and we will be emptying everything but the blue because I need the blue for the top. I told my husband because we've been having trouble with electricity going out. Our electricity went out yesterday, and today the lights flickered, and I told him, I said, oh, I don't know if I should be in the basement soaping. But I'm here for you guys, I promise. And our crimson. And our crimson. That's another thing with doing two molds at the same time, doing two soaps at the same time, is I have a hard time gauging what's half. How much is half of that? You know, and me, I'm a wing it kind of girl, so I don't, you know, I don't weigh anything. That's just not who I am. You wouldn't love me if I was a weigh it kind of girl, right? Well, I do weigh some stuff, but like, you know, the bottom of Hotel California, but I think that's about it. Well, actually, when I'm going to make this as Halloween for you guys this year, and I didn't make that for you last year. That's a weighted soap as well. Okay, here we go. There's the rest of our batter. And I don't usually have to, do anything to this, like as far as, run a hanger through it or anything like that. Now there is a tad more in here, and there's a reason for that. I like for it to have a little bit of a lip on it, but I'm obviously going to have to wait for it to set up some. I'm probably going to take it out of here though, so I can put it what was I just going to say? Boy, my train derailed. Oh, so I can do my dishes. So I'm going to let you go for now, and I am going to let this set up some, and I'm going to put a little bit of extra on the top. So I have only on one side, and then I'll do the piping on the other. So I'll see you in a few. My hands are still wet from doing the dishes. Okay, hold on. Ah! I'm going to put gloves on because I'm going to be emptying these. Not going to take any chances. Okay, maybe I'll put gloves on. Oh my goodness. Ah, really? Really, gloves? Oh my goodness. Okay, I'll sort of put my gloves on. How's that? That's ridiculous. Okay, that one went on pretty easy. Let me grab a bigger spoon. Sorry, reaching over ya. Okay, I'm going to put just a little bit of this on one side. Just a little bit. Like I did last year. Okay, let's put it right here. Whoop! I just stuck my finger in that. Oh, Lord. Okay, so what I'm going to do with this, because this is going to be brown, we're going to push up on it just a little bit. So we have some of that brown on the top. I sort of want to smooth out those spoon lines. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. This is going to need a nice little potato peeler. Now, this is almost set up. I'm going to turn it around. Actually, I'm going to turn it this way. Can you guys still see it? Okay, you can. Oh, no, that's not set up. Oh, no. Dropping blue all over the place, guys. Okay. Well, because I'm worried about the whole electricity issue, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Celestial Blue. I'm going to put the rest of it in a container, and I'm just going to make soap dough because I need some blue for later. But on each of these spots, I'm going to put just one flower to represent the lapel that Michael Jackson's suit coat had on his, not his lapel, I'm sorry, his, oh, what is that called? Lord. Excuse me, I shouldn't say that. Jeez. His pocket handkerchief to represent that on each of these. And I have gold sugar pearls I'm going to put in the center of each of those. So you'll see it when I cut it. Because like I said, I don't want to be down here stuck in the basement with our, you know, the thunder was rolling when I went upstairs to use the bathroom, and it's lightning like crazy. I'm not sure if it's just lightning or part of it's heat lightning, I don't know. So you'll see it when I cut it. So in 18 to 24 hours we'll come back and cut it. Thanks. We're back to cut Smooth Criminal. Annie, are you okay? Oh, sorry. And Amanda's here.
Hi, guys.
She's so excited because we're going to cut Remember the Time later. You're going to see that video later. Sorry. Or before. I don't know. I don't know what order these are going up in. Okay. So, and I did put the flowers on them, like I said I was going to. I'll back it up and show you. And yes, it probably is going to look a little wet because, you know, I put my soaps in the freezer before I unmold them. Amanda, look at Smooth Criminal this year. And all of this natural soap color is starting to turn brown. So it will discolor. It will be a pretty deep brown by the time we're done. I'm going to hand these soap bars to you, Amanda, for you to place them because that thing is too far away from me.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm cutting into these little flowers. I'm going to have to take these little pieces off. Sorry, guys. I'm not going to take the pieces off with you guys on camera, I promise. And I'm only going to cut one loaf with you guys on camera because I know you have things to do. So, Amanda and I are getting ready to do our first show together this year. We're pretty excited. It's down in Flat Rock, Michigan, so it's down by where Amanda lives. Oh, I'm sorry, I should have handed it. I'm going to hand those to you. So,
You're a disaster.
I am a disaster. They know I'm a disaster, don't y'all? They definitely know I don't think I showed them the other side of that bar. But, you know, what am I going to do?
What's our phone number?
What's our phone number?
Yeah.
586-838-4324. That's the business number, y'all, if you need to call us for anything. That is the number for the showroom. Okay. I really like the gold sugar pearl in there rather than the white one like I did last year. And I didn't use that much color in this, can you tell? I bet the other one is the one that had the more color in it. That's been the challenge for me, Amanda, is pouring the same amount into each mold because I'm doing 2 at a time. So it's been a challenge for me learning how to do that. I'm going to have to use my potato peeler on that part. That's sticking up like that. Oops, I moved you guys. Sorry.
Remember the time is apple cinnamon.
Yeah, remember the time is apple cinnamon. Oh, are you posting?
No, I sent a picture to Justin.
Oh, okay.
And he said, "Ooh, what's that?" You guys, this is my favorite time of the year.
Yep.
Fall is my favorite.
Yep, mine too.
I'm also a basic B word. And pumpkin spice is my thing.
Yes, pumpkin spice is definitely her thing. I gotta wipe this off because it's still wet on the bottom and on the sides. Oh, and it's leaking because of all of that. My what's it called? My spoon stuff has got water in there from me doing that. I'm going to see if this one's got more color, and I know I just told you I wasn't going to cut both loaves with you guys, but guess what? I don't think I'm going to be able to get an end piece off this. Nope, that's an inch. I'm not going to be able to get an end piece off that. Oh, that one does have more color in it. You want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, this is my first time using the cutter.
Okay, yes, it is Amanda's first time using the cutter. Now, because we don't have a thing on here, this is an inch, and this is 1 1/4 inch. So you just take it, you line it up with that inch, and most of the let's turn it around for you, make it easy. Most of the time, as long as you're looking at it from above, you can, you know, especially when I put embeds and stuff on there. You guys, just set it on the very edge of it and they can see it. Here, I got it. There we go. Whoop. I'm trying to get both these loaves on this tray so we can take them right into the soap room. Nice. Has that got more color? Oh, it does. Actually, they look pretty much the same, you guys. But I am still going to let Amanda cut that. But I think we will let you go. Well, you really haven't ever cut them, have you?
No.
Yeah. All right, guys. We'll see you later. Bye.
Bye, friends.